Hello artists, and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. This video explores basic media and techniques for drawing. Let's begin with drawing media that you may use in the classroom or at home. First is the pencil. Notice how it looks when you use this media on construction paper. I love to use the pencil as a tool for sketching or lightly drawing my ideas on paper. It can be easy to erase, which is perfect because I tend to make mistakes. Consider how the pencil could help you grow as an artist. Artists often use visuals to help them create subjects in their drawings. You can use a photo from a book or a how to draw sheet to help you begin your work of art. Consider using visuals like those to help you get your ideas on paper. You can also use stencils, which are tools that artists can trace to make perfect and consistent shapes. Simply place the stencil on the paper and trace slowly around it to recreate the same shape. These are great for artists like myself who tend to be perfectionists. Next are permanent markers. Notice how this looks on construction paper. How does it compare to the lines I made first with the pencil? I love to use this tool to create thick, black outlines on my drawings. The lines made by Sharpies really pop off the paper. Use this tool when you are trying to make bold lines, and avoid using this tool for coloring large areas. That will make it run out of ink. Washable markers like these work very similarly to permanent markers, but they will wash off your clothing, skin, and work surfaces easily with water. Use these tools to create bold and bright colors on your paper. When you are done with a marker of any kind, remember to firmly put the cap back on it so that the ink doesn't dry out. This next art supply is one of my favorites, colored pencils. Notice how it looks on construction paper. These also work differently when I press softly with my hand compared to when I press firmly with my hand. You can use a pencil sharpener to keep the points nice and sharp, and you can make really cool tiny details with this awesome drawing tool. Now we have crayons. These waxy drawing tools have a cool textured look on construction paper. Notice the difference when I press softly with my hand compared to when I press firmly with my hand. Consider how the crayon could help you grow as an artist. Next we have oil pastels, which are very similar to crayons. Notice how they differ when I add the oil pastel to my drawing. These art media create a bold, waxy line that can be blended with other colors nicely. These tools can be more messy than crayons, so be aware of your work area whenever you use oil pastels. Here's one more chance to see these drawing materials in action. We learned about pencils, visuals, stencils, permanent markers, washable markers, colored pencils, crayons, and oil pastels. These drawing tools can help you become more creative and expressive. Now that you have seen a little bit of what these drawing tools can do, I bet you're ready to try them out for yourself. I challenge you to make a mixed media drawing with some or all of the supplies I demonstrated in this video. If you are experienced with these tools, consider new ways to grow in your abilities. Remember that whatever you choose can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, happy making, artists. Enjoy!